how to fix the file not supported error in CapCut. This tutorial shows you how to identify and convert your video to the correct format so it opens properly in CapCut on your Android device. First, open your Gallery app on your Android device. After that, find the video that is showing the file not supported error in CapCut. From there, tap on the video to open it and swipe up on it to reveal the file details. At this point, you'll see information about the video, including its file format, resolution, and size. In the next step, check the file format. CapCut works best with common formats like MP4 and MOV. So if your video is in a format like MKV, AVI, or FLV, that's most likely what's causing the issue. Following this, open your browser and go to any free online video converter, such as cloudconvert.com or online-convert.com. Once done, tap on Choose File or Upload and select the unsupported video from your device. From here, select MP4 as your output format, since this is the most widely supported format on CapCut. At this stage, tap on Convert to start the conversion process and wait for it to finish. After this, once the conversion is complete, tap on Download to save the newly converted video to your device. Once completed, open CapCut and try importing the downloaded video into your project. Finally, the video should now load without any issues, and you can continue editing as normal. And that's it. If this CapCut guide helped you fix the file not supported error, give it a like, subscribe for more editing tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.